Are you looking for the best airflow PC cases on the market? Look no further. We've compiled a list of the top cases that will keep your PC running cool and quiet. Whether you're looking for a small form factor case or a full tower, we've got you covered. So what are you waiting for? So let's get started. List number 1. Cooler MasterCase H500M ARG. The MasterCase H500M is a brilliant combination of elegant design, fantastic performance, and incredibly affordable price. With the new addition of glass panels on all sides, this case is the perfect balance of aesthetic appeal and aesthetics when it comes to showing off your build. Equipped with our latest ventilation system, featuring blade fan SECC 140 fans in all corners for unmatched cooling, you not only get unmatched performance but unmatched style as well. This chassis offers a high-end PC to build a gaming rig. The MasterCase 5's diamond-cut crystal glass side panels, black tempered glass top panel, white mesh side panel, and striking red and blue color scheme give the system its aggressive appearance. Each of the front panel options complement the industrial design of the H500M in their own method. The covers on the frame and PSU shroud offer extra customization while keeping builds clean from cables. A convenient sliding trays cover up unused space around the motherboard and offer plenty of room for cable management options. List number 2. Corsair 275R Airflow Tempered Glass Mid-Tower Gaming Case. The Corsair 275R is the perfect case to take your HET system to the next level. The clean, modern design lets you show off your system inside its case. The front panel has been slatted for extra airflow, and a transparent tempered glass side panel adds a touch of bling to make sure that everyone knows how smart your build is. The ones on the case are good for your keyboard and mouse. 3 included 120 fans enable powerful cooling right out of the box, with room for up to 6 total fans or multiple radiators in sizes up to 360. Designed for overclockers who require uncompromising performance, it has a full set of hardware support including an easy installation toolkit. The attractive black exterior design is enriched by a transparent side window that allows you to see your hardware through the tempered glass panel. 3 120 wide fan exhausts on the back panel ensure efficient airflow out of the box and help to keep things cooler than ever before. List number 3. Lian Li PC Tempered Glass ATX Mid-Tower Gaming Computer Case. The PC-O11DX has a beautiful and simple design based on the chassis of the O11 series, with a unique front glass cover that allows users to enjoy full visibility while showing off gaming peripherals. The 6-thick tempered glass on the front panel is scratch-resistant and provides superior shock resistance, allowing you to show off your gaming desk without worrying about accidental damage. The aluminum inlaid PSU shroud supports high-end CPU coolers up to 108 in height, with 1 120 fan at the rear, 3 120 fans at the top, and 2 140 fans on the side panels for intake cooling. It can deliver balanced airflow throughout your system. 2 5.25 inches drive bays can accommodate DVI and VGA cards or external 3.5 inches drives without interfering with the other expansion cards. It has a classy look and functions such as more space for fans, dual cooling systems, support for up to 5 HDD, dual radiator cooling, tempered glass side panel, and more. List number 4. Corsair Crystal 280X RGB Micro-ATX Case. The Corsair Crystal 280X RGB line of cases offers an unrivaled combination of immersion in your own digital domain and optimal performance in the real world. The 280X features a fully tempered glass side panel and extreme airflow to ensure total protection against dust, heat, and chemicals. A massive inner space provides ample room for an extended graphics card thanks to an impeccable build quality that maximizes cooling efficiency with top-tier interior construction. The mid-tower case is a modestly sized, compact, and effective chassis that can house a wide range of components and supports both liquid and air cooling. This fanless case includes 2 Corsair O1120 RGB fans that boast a total of 32 individually customizable LED controlled by included lighting node Pyro digital RGB lighting controller and Corsair ICUE software to deliver a symphony of color. The Corsair Crystal 280X RGB is a dual-chamber case that utilizes a unique dual-chamber design to highlight your PC core components, whilst tidying cables, drives, and the PSU into a dedicated rear chamber. List number 5. MUSETEX ATX PC Case Pre-installed 6 PCS 120 ARG fans. The MN6 comes with its own ARG fan remote control. You can easily control the fan speed, ARG color mode, and brightness with your mobile device. The color of the ARG fan changes with the sound of your music or game, and enjoy the fusion of visual and auditory pleasure. The color of the SECC PC-O11DX ARG fan changes with the music you are playing or the game. With powerful cooling performance, it is made up of 6 PCS of ARG fans with higher quality materials to provide awesome performance. The case comes pre-installed with 6 ARG fans, providing superior cooling performance. Even more exciting is MUSETEX ARG. The remote control connect your smartphone to make all kinds of scenarios come alive. The case are pre-installed 6 PCS-O11DX ARG fans to provide lighting, utilizing anti-vortex vanes to ensure proper airflow inside the case to achieve better cooling performance than ordinary PC case. And it also works in combination with our Splat app that allows you to create spectacular presentations such as a wash of color sweeping like watercolor paintings whenever you flip through pages.